WooCommerce attributes and variations get mixed up constantly. So here's the difference in one product. This is a mug. Name and price first. The attribute is color. Its values are cream, forest, and rust. That is the attribute, a label and a list of values. On its own, an attribute sells nothing. It is just information on the product. A variation is different. It is one sellable combination with its own price, stock, and SKU. Press Generate Matrix, and each value becomes a variation. 3 values, 3 variations. And now they behave like separate products, stock and SKU on each one. Save once. So the rule is simple. The attribute is the question. The variation is the answer you can buy. One variable product in the list. On the storefront, the attribute is the drop-down label, and the values inside it are the variations. Pick one, and you are choosing a variation, which is what carries the price and the stock. This was built with quick variable products, free on WordPress.org. Link in the description.